because we are seeing na there's really a result with GST and the professionalism that you guys have shown. I think that there's a good branding already that you've achieved.
Ma'am, kamusta po kayo?
Okay lang naman, galing pa sa work, pagod.
Okay po. And I hope medyo nakapag-rest na po kayo ng kaunti.
Yes. Busog na rin sa dinner.
Ayos. And ma'am, paano niyo po natagpuan si GST Visa Consultancy?
Okay, that's a good question. Ganito yan siya. Yung isang friend ko, that time, estudyante pa siya. So, kasi that time, parang, nalilito ako, anong gagawin ko. Parang litong-lito talaga ako, sino ba makakatulong sa akin? Kasi yung mga natanungan ko, parang ang taas-taas ng mga service fees nila. Yung parang, naku, bababaon ka talaga sa utang ka talaga kasi nga, ang lalaki ng mga ano nila. So, she said na, ay, may refer ako sa'yo. It sounds like, sige nga, ito nga, sige, try, i-refer mo ako niyan, ging. So, ni-refer niya without, tawag nito, second thought. Sabi ko, okay, I'll take that service. Ura-urada on that day. I mean, the next day ko I think was that on the next day yata, nagbayad agad ako sa kanya. Kasi nakita ko yung parang gumaan yung loob ko na at least ito parang nagbibigay na sa akin ng liwanag sa madilim na processes. So that was the parang I was so grateful nga sa kaibigan ko. Sabi ko, thank you talaga, Ging, at pinakilala mo sa yung team niya na ang tasas ng pasensya. Kasi nga, alam mo naman yung pag may problema ka, medyo parang mainit ang ulo mo, yung parang basta yun, kasama na siguro yung mga hormonal imbalance and everything. But they were so helpful and they are so patient also. So I really appreciate that. That's a good service from them actually. Yun.
Thank you po, ma'am, and na naging maganda naman po yung experience nyo dito sa atin sa GST Visa Consultancy. And yun po yung talaga yung aim natin, not just to take your money, but also to provide the services that you needed and you want. And we make sure na talagang we will deliver it at the best that we can. And
Yes.
Ma'am Jelly, can you tell us a brief lang yung mga highlights lang po ng experiences nyo dun sa services na in-offer po namin dito sa GST Visa Consultants?
Okay, highlights. The team, it's so proactive. Tapos, tawag nito, everything is, documented. At tas pag mag-question, you wanna ask something, nakakapagbigay sila ng sagot agad. So, naliliwanagan ako. And aside from that, they listen very well also kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari. And I really appreciate on that one. I think those are very important things. Tsaka ina-update talaga na, tas nire-remind din nila ako na kahit papano, alam mo naman na busy-busy sa buhay, daming problema. So at least with that reminder, it helped me realize na nga pala ito pala yung calendar ko, itong schedule ko ngayon. So that is really good thing. Those are, very important points, helping the client na get the what do you call this, to achieve the purpose. I think that was all, and they are very professional. I really appreciate that. Maganda ang pagka-training ng nyo. Maganda ang leadership ng GST.
Thank you po, ma'am. And yan po talaga yung aim namin, to be transparent sa aming mga client, kasi hindi naman biro yung services talaga na in-avail, and we want it all to be transparent and to be professional as much as we can, upang we can also be proud of the services, and other people also will see yung aming ginagawa. And with that, kaya pwede nyo po ba kaming i-refer or marirefer nyo po ba kami to your friends and family? or love?
Yes, may na-refer na nga akong isang kaibigan ko na magproblemado din yun. So, at saka iningganyo na rin yung asawa niya at saka yung mga ibang kaibigan niya. So, I think it will increase pa yung referral because we are seeing na there's really a result with GST and the professionalism that you guys have shown. I think that there's a good branding already that you've achieved. And yes, I'm also thinking about my brother na mag-a-avail kami ng services ng GST din for him.
Thank you po, ma'am. So, marami na po kaming bagong clients na parating.
Yes. For sure yan. Tutulong talaga ako magre-recommend sa GST.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am. I think one of my clients ay friend nyo or kasi nakita ko sa reference. Kayo po nag-refer doon.
Siguro. Tsaka more pa yan.
Thank you po, ma'am, and thank you for your time. And I hope ito lang yung start pa lang to ng inyong journey papunta dun sa ating hinahangad na PR pathway. And take more of your time. Alam po kung kailangan nyo na po mag-guest. And maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak ng inyong testimony.
No problem there. For GST, I'm willing to help also because you guys are very willing to help also day and night.
Thank you po, ma'am. And that's our commitment to really help as much as we can sa aming mga clients.
Yes, thank you also. Thank you so much.